Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a LinkedIn company page. First, we're going to want to go to the top right for business, and at the bottom we want to create a company page. From here we can choose the kind of page, and we're going to press company page. Here you add your organisation's name. Then we enter the website. Then we enter the kind of industry that we're in, and we choose the size of our organisation. Then we choose the type of organisation we are. Then here we can upload a logo and add our tagline. We verify that we're authorised representatives of the organisation, and we press the blue button to create the page. Thank you for watching.